Hey, what is going on everyone, this is Wicked and today I want to talk to you about an unusual hardware information I discovered yesterday on my Samsung Galaxy S8 while doing a speed test comparison. First of all, let's take a look at the official spec sheet that Samsung claims the Galaxy S8 has. As you may see, they declare that the flagship comes with 4GB of RAM, and so does the phone says, while entering into settings and maintenance section. What I didn't know, and what you actually may not know, is what I found out yesterday. Only about 3.5GB of LPDDR4 RAM is installed on the device, or at least this is what several apps like ADA64, Phone Info, CPU Z, My RAM, Device Info, and many more claim. Now, if you don't know what RAM is, it stands for Random Access Memory, and it is a fast form of computer data storage which will store frequently used program instructions or data in order to optimize the general speed and smoothness of a system, in this case Android. There are two major classes of random access memories. They are static RAM or SRAM. Fastest ones are used in a CPU cache, but they are really expensive to produce. And dynamic RAM or DRAM. These are the predominant form of computer memory used in modern computers. Now, LPDDR is a type of DRAM for mobile computers. As you can see, the higher the N number gets, the faster it will presumably go. The Galaxy S1 had 0.5GB of LPDDR1 RAM storage, while the Galaxy S4 had 2GB of LPDDR3 random access memory storage. As I mentioned before, the Galaxy S8 came with, let's say, 4GB of LPDDR4 storage. Now, the truth behind this is what I suppose it happened in Samsung's marketing procedures, is that they really installed a physical amount of 4GB of RAM, but only 3.5 of them are accessible to the user. And that's okay, but here comes another occurrence. On my Galaxy S4, they claimed from the beginning that it comes with no more than 2GB of RAM. So does ADA64. On my Galaxy S1, they claimed from the beginning that it comes with 0.5GB of RAM, so does ADA64. And I was wondering why they decided right now to say that the S8 comes with 4GB of RAM and ADA64 says it only comes with 3.5GB. I did some research on this topic and found out that a Galaxy S6 and a Galaxy S7 owner had the same question. Somehow the Galaxy S6 was the first Samsung device to come with 64-bit CPU architecture. Then the Galaxy S8, then the Galaxy S7 had again a 64-bit architecture, and so does the Galaxy S8. The Galaxy S5, S4, S3, S2 and S1 had a 32-bit CPU architecture. As you notice from my Galaxy S4 and Galaxy S1, the two, respectively the 0.5GB of RAM installed, were not fully accessible. That's what intrigues me the most. Why did Samsung change the game? Why doesn't it say 4GB of RAM installed and only 3.5 accessible? The OnePlus 3, though, which has again a 64-bit architecture, said it comes with 6GB LPDDR4 storage, and so does ADA64 says, but the available memory is 5.7GB. So the 64-bit change for Samsung is not a perceptible reason. To the untrained eye, this can be a problem because the spec sheet says something and the hardware info apps say another story. The main idea is that as on Windows or any other operating system, a part of the random access memory is occupied by the GPU, the system and the BIOS. The same story applies to Android. So what do you think? Why did Samsung decide to do this? Is it a fair move? I think it would have been totally fair if they continued to let apps like Ada read the installed RAM as 4GB LPDDR4 and 3.5 accessible rather than saying 4GB on the spec sheet and only 3.5 installed and available. Comment right down below your opinions, and if you like my video, make sure you click the thumbs up button and subscribe right onto my channel. As always, until next time, take care. Wicked is out. Bye bye.